We've all lost interest at some point or another in a conversation, and there's two main reasons why that would happen. The first one is that we're not being present, or we're picking up on the fact that the other person is not present, and because they're not even being emotionally connected to their own story, it makes it very disengaging. Most of us are socially conditioned to endure listening to other people beyond a point to which actually feels comfortable for us, or even beyond a point that we have the capacity for. And because so many of us really have a need to be heard, we tend to overlook cues from other people that might be telling us that they are reaching their maximum, even if it's covert, their maximum ability to listen to us. I started a practice of really checking in with myself. If I'm listening to somebody, and I do a lot of listening in my profession, if I'm listening and I'm really with them and then all of a sudden I lose, I can't even follow the details of what they're saying, I check in with myself, and if I'm not going past future, then I know that chances are that person is getting disconnected emotionally from what they're talking about. And instead of just enduring that, I don't want to have a culture of us all just using each other unconsciously. I just interrupt and ask, what are you feeling?